You can get your clothing, your bedding. You can get a cold glass of water or any food that somebody may have brought in for the day. You can get your fans. You can get a hug and a long prayer. You can have, and we all share tears of joy, tears of sadness. Martindale is not recovered from the initial Memorial Day flood, and a lot of these people are actually behind in cleanup and mold control and just getting the everyday necessities. Saturday night, Martindale got 3.5 inches of rain, and the water was already creeping up on their doorsteps again. There's homes out there now that have lakes in their yard again. So it's real scary for these people. It is.
Cindy, because of the storm, the Caldwell County Emergency Management Director, Martin Ritchie, has requested that Red Cross open up shelters tonight.
Yes.
And it's going to be the Luling Junior High Gymnasium and the Lockhart American Legion.
Okay.
If the waters do come up, let's pray they don't, but if they do come up, there's not any medical money.
Yeah. All right. Well, keep praying.
Oh yeah.